This amazing car is going for 43 million naira. It is going for 43 million naira. This 2018 GX460 is going for 46 million naira. And this car is going for 47 million naira.
We deal on Toyota products, Lexus, Mercedes-Benz, Hyundai, and different kinds of cars. My name is Mr. Boniface. I am the manager at Murad Autos Limited. If you need any of these cars, call us on 080 331 28914.
I bring to you a lovely Lexus LX570, the car that you love so much. This car gets advanced features that will be perfect for you. This car is foreign use and it is American spec. 2017 LX570. LX570. This is the review. You can see how balanced this car is. Oh my god. LX570 is yours. A strong V8 engine and durable battery. The interior of this car is very lovely and very clean. Everything there intact. You can see DVD player, back AC vent, a clean back seat with a third row seat and AC vent on the roof, control buttons on the steering, a thumb start, clean dashboard and sunroof. This car is going for 110 million naira here at Murad Autos. This is a foreign use Mercedes-Benz GLE 450, a very lovely car with camera all over. This car is enjoyable. Oh my god, you in fact this car they like brand new, they like it's above foreign use. You see Benz wey do BBL, a very portable lovely car. 2016 model GLE 450. This car's engine is very strong, the battery is durable. When I told you this car is like brand new, I wasn't joking. Just see it for yourself. Everything you're seeing here is just how this car is. Enough legroom space, back AC vents and clean back seats. Control buttons on the steering, this car and thumb start and automatic drive. Oh my god, look at the dashboard now. This car na full option.
If you need any of these cars, call us on 080 331 28914.
Going for 60 million naira. I present to you this heavenly RX 350 2020 model. Na foreign use be this. I know you are thinking it's brand new. Na foreign use, very clean. This car is very lovely with an advanced features that you would like. In fact, you will fall in love with this car. With an amazing rear view, here is the side view. Very clean, strong engine. The battery is durable. This is the interior of this car. It's very clean as brand new, like I told you before. Enough legroom space, back AC vents, and clean back seats. Control buttons on the stereo, this car and a thumb start, and automatic drive with mouse, clean dashboard, and sunroof. And this lovely car is going for 55 million naira. Here is a 2020 Lexus RX 350. Foreign used. This is American spec. Buy and drive. You're not fixing anything in this car, just like brand new car. This is the rear view, RX 350. The engine of this car is very strong and clean. The battery is durable. What a lovely, sweet luxury interior. You can see how clean this car is. As it is here, that is how you see it. Back AC vent and a very clean back seat. Control buttons on the stereo, a thumb start and automatic drive, can see the mouse, cup holder, clean dashboard and a sunroof. This 2020 RX 350 is going for 55 million naira. What a beautiful Toyota Highlander 2021 model. This is a foreign used car and it is accident free and flood free. The custom papers, everything is available. Extra Sports Edition all-wheel drive. Here is the rear view. You can see this car is very beautiful with a beautiful alloy rim. With a strong V6 engine, the battery is very durable. The interior of this car is so lovely and very clean. You can see how sharp the seat is. Everything is intact, enough legroom space. You can see clean back seats and the third row seats. Control buttons on the stereo. This car is a thumb start and automatic drive. You can see Android screen, clean dashboard and a sunroof. This lovely car here is going for 55 million naira. I present to you this 2021 Toyota Highlander. You see how beautiful this car is now. You see the face. This is foreign use. As you dey look at it, like brand new. American spec. Come and grab this car. Extra luxury edition of the Highlander, 2021 foreign use. This is the beautiful and amazing review. This V6 engine is very strong. The battery is durable. The interior of this car is very clean and lovely. Very, very clean. Better car na money killer. Everything is still intact. Enough legroom space and clean back seats. Can see it's very clean, and a third row seat. Control buttons on the steering, autumn start and automatic drive. Oh my god, clean dashboard, Android screen and sunroof. This car is going for 54 million naira. Here is a clean foreign used 2021 Toyota Highlander. You can see this car is very clean. It's like brand new car, foreign use, and is American spec, accident free. This is the amazing review of this car, extra luxury edition of it. And this car is all-wheel drive. This is the side view, you can see it here. With a clean and strong V6 engine, the battery you're seeing over here is durable. This car is full option, extra luxury edition with a beautiful interior. This car, you'll fall in love with it. See, I told you it's like brand new. Everything is still intact, enough legroom space, clean back seats, and this car get third row seat. Control buttons on the steering. This car is a thumb style. You can see the Android screen. This car is an automatic drive, clean dashboard and sunroof. This car is going for 54 million naira. Here is a clean foreign used 2018 GX 460. A very mighty car, very balanced. This car is well balanced. It is American spec and accident free. GX 460. 2018 model. See how this car balance for ground now. Don't you like it? With a strong engine and a durable battery. The interior of this car is very lovely and sweet. You can see it's very clean and enough legroom space. DVD player, you can see it. The back seat is very clean. The car gets third row seats and AC vents on the roof. Control buttons on the steering, a thumb start, an automatic drive, reverse camera, clean dashboard and sunroof. This car is going for 50 million naira. Here is a 2017 GX460 foreign used American spec car, very clean. GX460 2017 model with a beautiful, strong and capable engine. The battery is durable. The interior of this car is very clean and very lovely, giving the brand new car's vibe. With DVD player at the back, clean back seats, you can see it, enough legroom space and a third row seats. Control buttons on the steering with a thumb start, an automatic drive, reverse camera, clean dashboard, sunroof and AC vent on the roof. This foreign used American spec car is going for 49 million naira. This is a beautiful 2017 Lexus RX 350 F Sport. This car is so amazing with an advanced features that you will fall in love with, and it is foreign use. F Sport, you can see the beautiful and amazing review. Here's the side view. The engine of this car is very clean. You can see it. The battery is durable with an amazing sweet interior, very clean. This car is like brand new. Enough legroom space and back AC vents, clean back seats. Control buttons on the steering, a thumb start and automatic drive. You can see everything here is so clean. Clean dashboard and a sunroof. This 2017 Lexus RX 350 F Sports foreign used American spec is going for 48 million naira. I present to you this foreign used Lexus RX 350 2017 model. A very clean car that you love. See, the color is very beautiful. Oh my god, this car has an advanced features that you will fall in love with. See, the camera is 360-degree camera. Here is the amazing review of this 2017 RX 350 with the side view. The engine of this car is very clean and strong. The battery is durable. With a lovely luxury and amazing interior, everywhere is just very clean. You will enjoy it. Enough legroom space and back AC vent. The back seat is very clean. Control buttons on the steering, a thumb start, and automatic drive. You can see the mouse, the clean dashboard, and it gets full panel. And this car is going for 47 million naira. 2018 GX460. This is a Lexus product, very clean car, like brand new. It's a foreign use though. It's a very clean, balanced car. GX460 with a strong engine. The battery is durable, accident free. The interior of this car is very clean and sharp, very spacious. You can see it for yourself. Enough legroom space and clean back seat. This car gets third row seats. Control buttons on the steering, a thumb start, an automatic drive, reverse camera, clean dashboard, and a sunroof. This 2018 GX460 is going for 46 million naira. Here is a clean foreign use 2015 Lexus GX460. A very sweet, lovely car, American spec. GX460, this is the rear view, the side view. The engine of this car is very clean. You can see it, the battery is durable. The interior of this car is very clean. You can see how lovely it is. Very clean seats, enough legroom space. See the back seat as well is so clean. It is like brand new. This is foreign use, don't forget. And with third row seats. Control buttons on the steering, a thumb start to an automatic drive, reverse camera, clean dashboard, sunroof, and AC vents on the roof. It is going for 43 million naira. I have this foreign used 2017 Lexus RX 350. You can see how the face is very clean. This car is buy and drive, accident free, foreign use that is like brand new, with an amazing rear view. You get it? This car has a beautiful side view. You will enjoy this car. You get better balance. The engine of this car is very strong and clean with durable battery. The interior of this car is very lovely, very clean interior with enough legroom space. Back AC vent, you can see it, and clean back seats. Control buttons on the steering. This car is auto start, an automatic drive with mouse, clean dashboard, and a sunroof. This amazing car is going for 43 million naira.
My name is Mr. Boniface. I am the manager at Murad Autos Limited. If you need any of these cars, call us on 080 331 28914. 080 331 28914. And our office is located at number 10 Rumola Link Road, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria.